Let's take up multiple choice questions based on chemistry in everyday life. The first question is the following compound is used as anti-inflammatory, analgesics, hypnotic, antiseptic. Correct answer is analgesics. It is acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin, which is used as analgesics as well as antipyretic. Here the correct answer is B part. Which one of the following can possibly be used as analgesics without causing addiction and modification? Morphine and acetyl para-aminophenol, diazepam, tetrahydrocatinol. Correct answer is B part, which is another name of paracetamol. It is used as analgesics and antipyretic without causing any addiction. Amoxicillin is a semi-synthetic modification of penicillin, streptomycin, tetracycline, chloramphenicol. Correct answer is penicillin. Streptomycin is a potent drug for tuberculosis. Tetracycline is used for plague, and it is also a broad spectrum antibiotic. Chloramphenicol is used for typhoid and other dysentery, acute fever, meningitis, etc. 2-acetoxy-benzoic acid is called, it is used as antiseptic or it's called aspirin or antibiotic or modern dye. Correct answer it is called aspirin. Acetyl salicylic acid is the common name, so B part is the correct answer. A broad spectrum antibiotic is paracetamol. Paracetamol is analgesics. Penicillin is narrow spectrum. Aspirin is antipyretic and analgesics. Chloramphenicol is a broad spectrum antibiotic. So D part is the correct answer. The correct structure of drug paracetamol is A part, B part, C part or D part. Correct answer is B part. It is para-hydroxyacetonolide. An ester used as medicine: ethyl acetate, methyl acetate, methyl salicylate, ethyl benzoate. Correct answer is methyl salicylate. It is used in iodex and other ointments which are used for relieving muscular pain. C part is the correct answer. The compound this is used as antiseptic, antibiotic, analgesics, pesticide. C part is the correct answer. It can also be used as antipyretic and also it prevents heart attacks. Which of the following is not a surfactant? Surfactant means surface active agents or detergent. There are four options. Correct answer is second part because it is amine. It's not a detergent or surfactant. Barbituric acid is used as antipyretic, antiseptic, antibiotic, analgesics or tranquilizer. Correct answer is tranquilizer. Which of the following drugs reduce fever? Analgesics, antipyretic, antibiotic, tranquilizer. Correct answer is antipyretic. They bring down the temperature of febrile body. Which of the following is not a broad spectrum antibiotic? Tetracycline is a broad spectrum. Chloromycin, which is another name of chloramphenicol, is also a broad spectrum. Penicillin is a narrow spectrum. So correct answer is penicillin, C part. The drug which is effective in the treatment of typhoid is Novalgine, quinine, chloromycin, paracetamol. Correct answer is chloromycin, which is also called chloramphenicol. It is broad spectrum antibiotic. Novalgine is analgesic and antipyretic to some extent. Quinine is anti-malarial. Paracetamol is antipyretic as well as analgesics. The chemical substances which affect central nervous system and induce sleep are called antipyretic. Antipyretic bring down fever. Analgesics give relief from pain. Tranquilizers are the chemical substances which affect nervous system and induce sleep. So correct answer is C part. Which of the following represents analgesics? Quinine, Novalgine, Equinil, all of these. Correct answer is Novalgine is analgesics, quinine is antimalarial, Equinil is tranquilizers. B part is the correct answer. Penicillin is an hormone, antibiotic, vitamin, antipyretic. Correct answer is antibiotic. APC is a mixture of aspirin, phenystein, caffeine, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. APC, aspirin, phenystein and caffeine all are present. It acts as analgesics and antipyretic. The medicine which is an antibiotic is ampicillin, aspirin, compose, chloroquine. Correct answer is A part. Aspirin is analgesics and antipyretic. Compose induce sleep. Chloroquine is antimalarial. Arsenal drugs are mainly used in treatment of jaundice, typhoid, syphilis, cholera. Correct answer is syphilis. Salvarsan is the name of the drug. Paracetamol is analgesics only, antipyretic only, both analgesics and antipyretic, antimalarial. Correct answer is both analgesics and antipyretic. Which of the following statement is not true? Some disinfectant can be used as antiseptic at low concentration. It's true. Sulfur diazine is a sulfur drug. Is it true? Ampicillin is natural antibiotic. No. Aspirin is analgesic antipyretic. Correct. C part is the correct answer. The substance used as antiseptic for curing wounds is bithionol, concentrated phenol, iodine, DDT. Correct answer is iodine. Bithionol is antiseptic but is added to soap. Concentrated phenol is harmful for skin. DDT is insecticide. So C part is the correct answer. Phenestrine is used as antipyretic, antiseptic, antimalarial. All of these correct answer is antipyretic. An antibiotic containing nitro group attached to aromatic nucleus infrastructure is known as penicillin, streptomycin, chloramphenicol, tetracycline. Correct answer is chloramphenicol. Sulfur drugs are used for precipitating bacteria, removing bacteria, decreasing the size of bacteria, stopping the growth of bacteria. Correct answer is stopping the growth of bacteria. Celol can be used as antiseptic, antipyretic, both A and B. None of these. Correct answer is both A and B. Celol is phenyl salicylate. It is used as intestinal antiseptic and also it acts as antipyretic. C part is the correct answer. Which of the following compound is antimalarial? Plasmoquine, proguanil, mepacrine. All of these. Correct answer is all of these are antimalarials. Disprin contains calcium carbonate, anhydrous citric acid, aspirin, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. It easily dissolves and relieves pain faster. Which does not contain paracetamol, crocin, metacin, analgin, acetaminophen? Correct answer is C part. Analgin does not contain paracetamol. Which of the following statement is correct? Some tranquilizers function by inhibiting the enzymes which catalyze the degradation of noradrenaline. Tranquilizers are narcotic drugs. Tranquilizers are chemical compounds that do not affect the message transfer from nerve to receptor. Tranquilizers are chemical compounds that can relieve pain and fever. Correct answer is A part. Some of the tranquilizers inhibit the enzymes which catalyze the degradation of noradrenaline, which causes depression. Aspartame, one of the good artificial sweeteners whose use is limited to cold foods and soft drinks because aspartame has very high boiling point. Aspartame gets dissociated at cooking temperature. Aspartame is sweetener at low temperature only. Aspartame is not suitable at high temperature. Correct answer is aspartame gets dissociated at cooking temperature. So B part is the correct answer. Dettol is used as antiseptic. It is mixture of furazine and terpineol, bithionol and iodoform, chloroxylenol and terpineol, veronal and serotonin. Correct answer is chloroxylenol and terpineol. C part is the correct answer. Who discovered the antibacterial properties of Penicillium fungus? Alexander Fleming, Paul Ehrlich, Watson Crick, Chertoff. Correct answer is Alexander Fleming. A part is the correct answer. Match the list 1 with list 2. Select the correct answers using the codes given below. These are the options. Celdane is used as antihistamines. So B should tally with 3. Novestrol is anti-fertility drug. So Q tallies with 4. Mepromate is tranquilizers. It tallies with 2. Alitame is an artificial sweetener. So D part is the correct answer.